Full toss to start with, it's got lots of airtime, it's way back into the stands. Wallop! Well, that's Pollard joins in. Does he get enough of this? Yes, he does.
He had to tug it, get some bottom hand in. Doesn't middle it perfectly. But look at...
Full toss again, down the ground. Fielders just stand. It's raining sixes here. 13 sixes in the inning. And again, wallop! It's a whopper.
Against New Zealand, he felt that he was getting into better form, and he certainly is in good hitting form now. That was middled.
See the dancing again. Ooh, come and have a ball, Xavier. How did he feel when the captain said, come and have a ball at Gayle and Pollard?